everybody, welcome back to the Nowaski Performance YouTube channel. Today we are going to help out our good friend Brian Ridgway. As you all know, Brian is a long distance challenge rider. Brian is crazy. He puts on more miles than anybody I have ever seen. He does the Hoka Hay Challenge, which is 10,000 miles in 10 days, on top of all kinds of other crazy stuff. And Brian absolutely loves Nowaski suspension. He's had it on more than one of his long distance bikes, and today we have his latest brand new Harley Davidson Road Glide here that we are going to outfit with Nowaski suspension. Scott and Dylan are ready and waiting to get this upgraded suspension installed on this new Harley Davidson Road Glide.
Brian Ridgway. I raise money for a charity group called Mile Monsters Inc. And cutting across Minnesota, I was involved in a collision. Paramedics picked me up. They took me to Fergus Falls in Minnesota, to the hospital there. I was in the ICU in Fargo for 5 days. I was on bed rest for like 3 months, and then 3 months of recovery, and now I'm back riding. Mile Monsters Inc. is the charity I'm raising money for. It helps raise awareness, and we help these kids live their best life. They're dealt a bad hand. So I found out about Nowaski through a bunch of friends of mine. They're stunt riders, and they were telling me that you can beat the hell out of his suspension, and it just keeps taking a beating. And I thought, hey, I'll talk to Pete and I'll beat the hell out of his suspension and see what it can handle.
All right, so first we are gonna install a set of 13-inch remote reservoir shocks on Brian's 2025 Road Glide here. We have chosen the remote reservoir shock because what Brian's doing with his long distance riding is actually extreme duty. Mile after mile after mile after mile after mile, the shock is working, building heat. So we want this remote reservoir shock so the shock runs cooler longer and maintains the ride for Brian. We've chosen a 130 spring. Despite the fact that Brian has a lot of extra stuff on here, this Pelican case is actually lighter than the stock tour pack. And yes, he has extra fuel, but it's in the passenger location. We work with Brian a lot, so we know that this 130 spring is where we're gonna start for him and get it dialed in. Again, if Brian decides to haul extra gear, we can always upgrade the spring. But to get things going, we're gonna get these Nowaski 13-inch remote reservoir shocks on the bike. All right, now we're getting ready to install our 49mm Nowaski cartridges in the front of Brian's 2025 Road Glide. These front cartridges are gonna reduce brake dive, they're gonna increase brake control, and overall improve the ride of this motorcycle. Hands down, it's night and day difference over anything you're gonna put in the front of your Harley Davidson motorcycle. So this is gonna help Brian enjoy the thousands of miles he's gonna put on this bike. We're getting the cartridges installed on the front end of Brian's bike here. So one thing when we build these out, this is a new bike. But whenever we're putting suspension in, we inspect the tubes, we always put new seals in, we inspect the bushings, we thoroughly clean everything before we assemble them and put new fluid in. Essentially, all of the internals are being removed from these forks and then our cartridge being put in. So everything is neat and clean and nice and perfect when it goes back together, so you can expect the absolute best ride possible out of your Nowaski fork cartridges.
As you guys just saw, Scott and I got the front end put back in this bike after rebuilding the front forks, putting the Nowaski cartridges in it, got all the fasteners torqued up, and then checked our ride height on it, had Brian sit on it, and we checked the sag in the back. How we have it set up right now, we got about 1 degree of rake towards the front and 1 inch of sag in the rear, and Brian's gonna go out and ride it and see how he feels about it, and if we need to make any changes after that, we will.
As you all know, Brian is a long distance challenge rider. Brian is crazy. He puts on more miles than anybody I have ever seen.
I was involved in a collision and now I'm back riding. I'll beat the hell out of his suspension and see what it can handle.
Thought so far is it's great. There's a lot less harshness to bumps from on the rear of the bike. You don't seem to pick up as much. You definitely don't have the front end dive.
If you're looking to have Nowaski suspension components installed in Sturgis, you're in luck because pre-books start now. You can have the professionals from Nowaski install your Nowaski suspension on your Harley Davidson for free. Just go to Nowaski.com and select your items today and schedule your Sturgis pre-book now. All right, so that wraps up today's episode of the Nowaski Performance YouTube channel. We got Brian Ridgway all fixed up with the best of the best Nowaski suspension on his long distance challenge bike. Anything you see here is available at Nowaski.com. So if you want to outfit your bike just like Brian's long distance bike, go to Nowaski.com and select any of these awesome Nowaski suspension and chassis upgrades for your Harley Davidson. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you think in the comments down below, and we'll see you on the next one.